Hey everybody, it's Josh, and we're back for another mission from the single-player campaign of StarCraft 2. I did leave off after about 10 missions, and now this will be the 11th mission. And basically I spent some time last night and this morning getting the Spectre icon. You get that from getting a gold medal in all of the challenges, the single-player challenges that Blizzard came up with. They're not all incredibly easy. I managed to get gold in one try on like 3 of the 9 challenges, but on the second try of most of them, but there were 2 in particular that I had a pretty tough time with. But anyway, cutscene time, so I'll shut up.
Sir, I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and Terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Rena. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, "I'll be in touch soon."
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try.
LOL. Because he can cloak. It's like a joke. Doo-doo-doo. An hour later. Man, wonder what happened during that hour. It's a lot of time. I've finished most of these missions within an hour. Let's watch the news.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nefor 2.
That was all very interesting.
Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness, but that guy, he's got something broke inside.
In his brain, you mean?
Let's get down to business.
Oh, Spartan Company, I do like Goliaths. Goliaths are fun. Firebat's still kind of sucky. Anyway, laboratory.
I've run a few tests on the terrazine gas like you asked. It's clearly related to Vespene gas, but there are some very exotic organics added into the mix.
Any guesses what it's used for?
Well, it would definitely affect brain chemistry, so it could be used as some kind of drug or stimulant, I suppose.
Drugs, huh? That's just wonderful.
Is it? Crystal is growing. Antimatter. Energy storage system. Okay. Let's check the console. Ooh, I can get something. Armor upgrades. Increase life by 5%. Or attack speed by 5%. Obviously attack speed. Who needs to live longer in normal mode? Nobody. No new Zerg stuff. Alright, we're done here. Back to the armory. Nothing new. Let's see what we can upgrade. Reapers? Nah. Turrets? Nah. Vehicles? Ooh, Goliaths. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Fire the ground and air simultaneously. That's That's like doubling their attack power. That's pretty awesome. Back to... no, not Cantina. Bridge.
What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these Spectres, it's clear Mengsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
Okie dokie. Zill or Tarsonis? I think Zill's the new one, so let's go for Tarsonis. I think that came up
We've
We've
first.
received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Okay, so steal from the rich and give to us.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky. That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
The Great Train Robbery. Diamondbacks can attack while moving, making them ideal for chasing moving targets. Alright, so they're like phoenixes, but they're tanks. Sorry for all these load screens, I'm too lazy to edit. It's only a few seconds anyway, skip ahead.
Go ahead.
Kind of missed exactly what was going on. Locate Diamondbacks.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
Really? No
There
pun
may be other
intended?
vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
Want a piece of me, boy?
My pleasure.
That's cool.
I like it.
SCV ready.
I'm waiting. What needs killing?
What needs
Of
killing?
course.
What doesn't need killing?
On the move. Victory is ours. How devious.
First train will be here soon. Let's go, let's go.
SCV ready.
Excellent. I like it. Bring a shovel for the burial. Of course.
Defiler bone sample? That was kind of neat.
My pleasure.
Where is the train?
How devious.
Get some guys on gas.
In the rear with the... Yeah.
With the yeah. Okay.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Neat. Let's go kill it.
This better be good.
Have to kill this whole train.
Ready to raise some hell.
My pleasure. Oh, goody. Crush them. Railguns at the ready. On the move. Gladly. I'll leave the house.
fun. Let's do that again.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Go ahead.
Supply depots, whoopsie.
Sure thing.
I'm waiting. My pleasure.
Nice, free gas.
What's the plan? What needs killing?
Additional supply depots required.
That was a big loss. That sucks.
I like it. Of course.
SCV ready.
What is down? What is some weird orange stuff down below me? Throw on a tech lab. Get a reactor. Get another diamondback. Get some more SCVs. Make another supply depot or two.
A train is coming
shoot.
through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
On the move.
Well, of course they did.
Of course.
They're not retarded.
Excellent. Bring a shovel for the burial. I'll leave the house. Oh, goody. Crush them. Victory is ours. What needs killing? I like the way you think. My pleasure. On the move. Victory is ours. I like it. Excellent.
Who wants some?
Of course.
There's a whole nother rail system down here.
Excellent. On the move.
Oh, it's on.
What? Of course.
Nice.
Go, go, go.
Additional supply depots required.
You're a supply
My
depot.
pleasure.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base.
Oh no!
We better be ready.
I don't like that.
What's on your mind? Victory is
Is that the
ours.
attack?
At the ready.
Is that the only way in? Yeah, pretty much. No? Wait. It's not.
Excellent.
Okay, we'll leave you as a home force. Oh yeah. Shoot.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
Get down there.
Go on. My pleasure.